Good morning guys. Day 18. So supposedly 7 days left na lang bago matapos yung OJT namin. And so far, ang task namin, pending task namin is yung sa WordPress pa rin. So yun, dahil medyo nangangapa. Ayun, medyo mabagal pa yung progress sa simula. Pero yun na yung focus namin. And yun, hopefully matapos namin before OJT. Pero if not, pwede naman kami mag-extend. And yun, it's a good project na rin for portfolio as well as dagdag skill. So yun. Good evening guys. So uwian na namin, alas 6 na, and yun. So far, nakatapos kami ng ilang web pages using WordPress. And medyo, yun, nangangapa talaga kami kasi unfamiliar kami sa pag-navigate sa, yun, sa paggawa ng website. And yun, hopefully makarami pa kami next week. So yun, bukas Sunday, pahinga muna. And that's for third week. And see you again next week.